Hey there, folks. In this blog below, we are kicking off a new series where we talk about the different processes within a machine shop and how ProShop helps handle some of those items. Today, we are starting this one with estimating and quoting. And fundamentally, we're looking at the differences between doing estimating in a really quick and dirty way, where you just throw out a number for labor and material and some margin and lead time, versus a more methodical approach to defining the manufacturing process, all of your out-of-pocket costs, and making sure that you are going to ensure the correct market price, as well as setting up your company for success should you win the job. So we'll talk about some of the pitfalls that you want to avoid if you're doing quoting the quick and dirty way, and some of the things you want to make sure you account for in a more methodical process. We hear from clients all the time that are doing it either the quick way or they're doing it the more mature, methodical way, but it takes them way too long in their current system. And they're getting results with as fast as 3 times faster quoting using ProShop, while still setting the shop up for success with planning and scheduling and all the important factors down the line. So thanks for reading, thanks for watching, and hope you tune in to all the series that are coming up in the near future.